Good morning guys! Welcome to Mami Nati Vlog. Today guys, mag-breakfast tayo. Ito ang ating almusal. Egg plus fried rice. So, kain tayo guys. At meron akong tea karak. This is tea karak. Yan guys. So.
Throwing her light on my teary face, lost inside a cold and empty space. She knows I'm waiting for a single spark, just a hopeless dreamer in the dark. I should turn and walk away, save my broken heart for another day. But gravity just pulls me back to you. What is a lovesick fool supposed to do? I drink the poison, thinking it's wine, trapped inside this prison by design. Let the stars all stare. I'm still breathing in your phantom air. Crazy, stupid, acting so blindly. The moon is softly laughing at me. Yeah, the moon is laughing at me. Just a fool in love eternally.
145/94 guys. Ang para sa ay 68. So, medyo mataas ng konti. Above normal ako guys. Thank you for watching my vlog. I hope you enjoy. Bye. Ito na guys ang mga pinamili nating gulay kanina. Oh. Ito ay kamatis. Yan. Ito ay carrots. Yan. Ito ay cucumber. Ito ay Baguio Pechay. What's this? Cabbage Chinese. Ayan guys. Ito ay mangga. Iba ang mangga dito guys sa umano. Ang laki nito oh. Ito naman ay pumpkins. Ayan. Maliit lang yan. Ito ay saging, banana. Ito naman ay beans. Mga gulay na pabili natin kanina guys. Yan. Ito pa guys, marami ng chocolate. Ito, Cadbury. Ito, M&M's at saka Diamond Kiss. Kunafa. Yan. Sikat to guys sa pistachio kunafa from Dubai. Yan. So guys, ito nakasale ito ngayon guys. So, tatlong pack. Yan. Special offer. At saka itong sabaho. Ito. Baon ng anak ko to eh. Sabaho. Pinipinag natin ito guys. Lagay natin sa reto guys. Lagay natin ito sa reto guys. Mga gulay.
just a hopeless dreamer in the dark. I know I should turn and walk away, save my broken heart
itong mangga saka yung
for another day. But gravity
chocolate dito
just
sa
pulls me back to you.
cabinet.